Hello everyone, so today I'll show you how to transfer contacts to Motorola Razr 50 or from it. This method works for every Android device, so don't worry about that. Now, first of all, we need to open up our settings. We need to scroll down to our System tab. Here it is. Now choose your Backup tab. And the first thing what we want to check is to scroll down to your Google account data and choose this option. Here, make sure to have your contacts option turned on. After that, we are to go back and to press backup now. Now wait until your phone is gonna be backed up. After completing the backup, you can log into the same account on the other phone. It can be any Android phone, and this contacts and all of your contacts basically will automatically appear on your phone. You can do exactly the same thing with your old Samsung, for example, while you're transferring your data to Motorola. So do the same steps and simply log in into that account on your Motorola. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.